Hey, what's up you guys? It's Milo. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Milo. This is Ryan.
Hi.
Hi Ryan.
Hi.
Today we're going to be dyeing my hair. It's Halloween colors. I already have it all sectioned out, which is why I look crazy. My previous hair color, you can't see it, but like it was rainbow. But I want to bleach some of the black as well as the rainbow, and then we're going to do Halloween colors. I used to do like Q&A videos when I dyed my hair. So I would have a topic to speak about while I was dyeing it. And I thought about doing it this time, but then I was like, no, like I'll just talk and like have a little candid moment, but now I don't really know what to talk about.
You're getting bleach all over my fingers.
Me too. I hope that you're not really like allergic to bleach because
No, I don't know. If I am, let's find out.
we are gonna find out today.
We're really gonna find out today.
Welcome to Watch Mojo. Today we're gonna count down the top 10 substances you can buy from Walmart that should not be in contact with your skin.
Top 10.
Number 1 on our list today.
Bleach.
Box bleach. Now I'm funny because I'm so particular about what kind of hair dye and stuff I put on my hair, but then I buy box bleach from Walmart. But this bleach,
What is this? Hypocrisy.
This bleach
Absurd.
is so good.
And oh my god, it's getting all over your fucking other hair. We're gonna have to redo this. It's just, it's all or nothing, Milo.
I mean, if it fucks up my other hair, we can...
Well, we dye it black.
we
fix
can
it.
kind of try and fix it.
It's a work in progress. Don't worry about it.
I really like this brand of bleach, and I feel like it works really well, and it doesn't damage my hair. Even though it's really cheap, it's like $9. And it comes with this conditioner that's like so amazing that I actually save it all. Have you seen my pink little container of purple stuff that's in the bath?
I think so.
That is just all the extra conditioner from all of these kits that I've used in the past.
Nice.
And I use it as my normal conditioner because it repairs your hair so fast and so easy. I love it so much.
Lucky. That is so smart. I'm gonna start doing that.
And it smells like apples. I'm so annoyed that I can't have dyed hair at work. Because imagine doing a split dye purple and green with
That would be so sick.
orange raccoon tails or like orange underbangs. That's what I really wanted to do, but unfortunately, gotta be professional.
No, you don't. That's ridiculous.
The owner of our company wants us to avoid Mormon missionaries. Like, that's what they say.
That's so weird.
I hate
and
it.
Specific. I hate that too.
We work with fire, like with the fire departments. And so we'll show up and the fire department is there in like their cargo pants and then like just fire t-shirts. And then we're there in our like work cargo pants and then like white tucked in dress shirts. It's so awkward. Hi homies. So I'm finally actually dyeing my hair. I ended up bleaching it one more time to even it out since it was super uneven because I had so many colors in it. And now I'm dyeing it. I've separated it into 3 sections and then each of those sections into 3 sections. Because I'm gonna have 3 colors and 3 strands of all 3 colors. So first I'm doing my purple ones and then I'm gonna do green and then I'm going to do orange. Okay, I kind of look like the dollar store Halloween section, but I'm gonna let these all soak in and then wash them out. Also, I realized totally matches my shirt plus orange. Another thing, I literally let my hair sit in that like a little ponytail on the top of my head with the blonde for 4 days because I worked 12-hour shifts on the ambulance and I just did not have time to dye it. So I wore my hat and had my hair in a ponytail for 4 days so that the bleached part would stay separated so that I could do this. So I'm glad that I finally did it today. So I actually left the color in for like multiple hours and it's all crusty now. But to be honest, I like leaving my color till it's crusty because this is semi-permanent and it's coconut oil based. So like, it's not gonna really damage my hair. But anyways, I have to wash them out now because I decided I'm going to my ex's house.
Bruh.
But just to hang out because we're friends. So I'm gonna wash this out and then I'll probably show you guys what it looks like when it's dry, which won't be immediately. But I don't know why I'm clarifying that because this is not real time. It's just gonna cut right to when it's dry. So anyways, I'll see you when it's dry.
Across the galaxy, as long as you can sum it up for me. Welcome to the digital age. Release the
watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to cut the longer parts of my hair because they're getting really, really long and I'm trying to grow my hair out, but I also want to like keep it looking emo while it's growing out. So I apologize that this isn't like my best emo haircut that I've ever done. I also am like still training my hair because I can't wear it emo at work, and so it's like it's untrained itself, so I kind of have to like walk around with my hair over my forehead like that in order to get it to work, and then I just kind of push it forward so it's still like messy. I don't know, but anyways, I appreciate you watching this video. If you want any clarification or advice or tips, or you have questions, let me know. I'm not going to stop messing with it because there's product in it and it feels cool. But anyway, let me know in the comments below. I definitely recommend getting like an actual hair razor and hair scissors, but I don't have that and I don't want to go to the store. My razors did start getting pretty dull though, which was obnoxious. But anyways, I will see you guys next week in the next video. I love you all so much, and I will see you on the streets. Peace out. Bye.
Let me live my life, I can't lie, working overtime, I don't even mind it.